Hi everybody, it is week 6 of our Goal For It program and we are on workout number 1 for the week. Today's workout I titled 2-minute, 1-minute stations with lots of cardio or mega cardio. So here's what we have on deck for today. I'd like you to start your workout today with cardio. So what we did this morning was everybody headed out for a 1-mile walk run. We went for about 15 minutes. So whatever came first, went out for about 7.5 minutes, came back for 7.5 minutes. Like you to do the same. I know it's supposed to be a little bit of a rainy week, but think of it as something refreshing. It's really warm outside. We'd like people to get some fresh air, and that's what we're focusing on today. So that's part of your workout. A mile for your warm-up, some cardio. Head out for 7.5 minutes, come back for 7.5 minutes, whichever comes first. Then we're going to come inside and do your workout routine, which is 1-minute stations mixed with 2-minute stations. So your first 1-minute station is going to be fast feet to your ball for a minute. So you will need a timer. You can use a kitchen timer. Most phones now, especially smartphones, have a timer right on them. So you can have a countdown timer so that it beeps after a minute or that it beeps after 2 minutes. So our first 1-minute exercise is going to be fast feet to a ball. You can use a step and you can use the floor. So this is low. You're going to be doing it as fast as you can for a minute. You can take it up, just like that. If you have a med, that's even better because it stays a little more stationary. But just tapping it, get those arms moving. You are going for a minute. Low, high. There you go. Then your next minute, you're going right to it. It's going to be high knee pulls. You can use your ball. Now this is a really light ball. If you have a weighted ball, that's even better. But with a light ball, if you are looking for more of a challenge, you can take it up or keep it low. Because after all, it is a whole minute. Then we're going to go to a 2-minute station. Our 2-minute station is you're going to do walk out to an inchworm or plank position, up, up, down, down, walk back, and do 5 jacks. So it looks like this. Walk out, down, down, up, up, walk back in, 5 jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walk it back out, down, down, up, up, walk it back in. You can do them low for your jacks because you're doing this for 2 minutes. Walk it out, plank position, down, down, up, up. Walk it back, 5 jacks or low. Let me show you how to modify that down, down, up, up. When you're going down into your plank position, you can drop to your knees, go down, down, up, up, and then walk it back up. You can, if you don't want to go to the floor, same thing. Walk it out to a chair. Try to drop to your elbows, hands, walk it back in, do your jacks. You could do it to the wall. Elbow, elbow, hand, hand, 5 jacks. Doing that for 2 minutes. Now we're back to 1-minute stations. Med ball side lunge with a press. So you're going to take a big step to the side, touch your foot, press it up. Big step to the side, touch your foot, press. For a whole minute. If you don't have a med ball, really think about getting one because they're pretty cheap. You can get them at Target, Walmart for like 10, 12, 15 bucks. Dick's, you might find you pay a little more, or at Sports Authority. Great tool to have. All mine are at the Y, but I too need to have one at home because this is a little too light. Then we have for 1 minute. So we did 1 minute med ball side lunges for a minute. You set your timer. Now we're going to do med ball squat swings for a minute. Arms stay nice and straight. Your butt goes back. Your knees never go past your toes. Keep your head up. Doing it for a minute. Now we're back onto a 2-minute station which is 5 mountain climbers, 5 squat jumps. So it looks like this. You're down again. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Coming up. 5 squat jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Modified version. Mountain climbers. 1, 1, 2, 2 to 5. And then 5 squat touches. 1, 1, 2, 2 to 5. You're doing that for 2 minutes. That's your 2-minute exercise. Now, we're back to 1 minute. No ball. Squat kicks. 1 minute of squat kicks. Squat with a kick. Squat, kick. And you're doing this for a minute. Squat, kick. And then your other minute is 2 push-ups with 5 mountain climbers. So let me show you modified first. 2 push-ups, 1, 2, with 5 mountain climbers. 2, 2, 3, 3. You're doing that for a minute. You can do it to the wall. 2 push-ups and 5 mountain climbers. You're just big step backs. Full version to the ground. 2 push-ups. 1, 2, 5 mountain climbers. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. 2 push-ups. 5 mountain climbers. And you're doing that for a minute. That's so much fun. Now we're back to a 2-minute station. And I'm hoping that you guys have this in your house. We've done these before. 2 minutes of step-ups. So you're stepping up, up, down, down. Now this is kind of wobbly, so I don't want to step up on it. But you want to use a step in your house. Go to the first step or the second step. Step up with your left leg, down with your left leg for a minute. Step up with your right leg, down with your right leg for a minute. So it's a total of 2 minutes of step-ups. Now we're back to 1-minute stations. We have crossover abs. I'm going to show you modified first. Crossover abs. So you're just doing a cross touch, just like this for a minute. If you're feeling ambitious, you can add a hand touch. It's for 1 minute. Crossover abs. And then glider thrusters with a run back. So let me show you the crossover abs on the ground, and we'll go this way. You're in a push-up position. You're crossing, crossing, crossing. You can add a touch, toe touch. It's only for a minute. We're really working those abs. And then the next minute is going to be glider thrusters using some paper plates. Here's what they look like. I'm going to show you the non-modified first. You're going to do 5. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on up. Jog in place for 5 seconds. Or walk in place for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then you're going to do it again. 5 thrusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jog in place or walk in place. You're doing this for a minute. Now you can modify again on here with your bench and pull it in. Push it back, pull it in. Push it back, pull it in. You'll be doing 5 of those. Probably go a little quicker, it's just that's a little wobbly for me. It's not a solid bench. So lots you can do here with these paper plates. We are almost done. Now you have 2 minutes. You're going to do 5 med ball sit-ups and 5 mat laterals. Moving our plates aside. 5 med ball sit-ups. 1. We've done these before. let's say that's 5 and you're up. Set it down. You're gonna do 5 mat laterals. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. You can modify it by just big step, touch, big step, touch, big step, touch. Then you're gonna go back down. 5 more sit-ups, 5 laterals. If you can't go to the floor, you can always do your sit-ups on a couch, on a chair, and then do these standing up. If this is too far for you, you can stand on the mat, stand on one edge, just do a tap touch, tap touch. If you want to take it up and you don't want to step all the way wide, you can always amp it up. And lastly, we have 2 more 1-minute stations. I'm going to move this out of the way for a second. Now we're going to do a wall sit. A wall sit for 1 minute. Get down to a nice 90-degree angle here. You're just going to sit here. So you need your timer for 1 minute. Think about the beach. Think about the weather. It's going to get tight. It's going to get a little sore. You got to put your mind somewhere else. So you're sitting here for a minute. And then your last thing is going to be 5 squats with 5 punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then get down here, 5 punches. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. 5 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 punches. And that's it. No, that's not really it. That's circuit. Then I'd like you to finish off with another mile or 15 minutes, whichever comes first. So we added a larger cardio segment, getting you outside for some fresh air if you can go outside. It is okay if you choose to do it on a treadmill, perfectly fine. Good job, everyone. That ends workout number 1 of week 6. You can see we are working a little bit harder, even hearing me breathing hard, but we're in week 6. So here we go. Good luck, everyone. See ya in a couple days.